Hello, I'm Philipp Mainka, Director of Digital Marketing at Zooplus. I'm very excited to be speaker at SMX Advanced this year. In my session, you will learn from me how to create a scalable measurement model for marketing across multiple channels and countries. We will start with one country and one channel, building an LTV, CAC framework and utilizing yield curves. We will then expand to multiple channels and countries, mastering the budget allocation for the directly measurable channels. For indirectly measurable channels, we will enhance the model using decisions from a marketing mix model to adjust budget allocation. My session will be practical and will enable you to create a similar framework for your business. I look forward to meeting you all at SMX and have some insightful discussions. Happy optimizing.